Hello everyone, I have something incredible to share with you today. I've just gone through some of the reviews and success stories from my students who have taken my prompt engineering short course. And let me tell you, these stories are nothing short of amazing. If you have been on the fence about taking this course, you are going to want to stick around. These reviews might just be the push you need to jump in and start mastering prompt engineering with me. Because these aren't just reviews, they are real success stories from real people who have used what they have learned to change the way they work and even transform their careers. And today I'm going to read some of these stories so you can see just how powerful this course can be. So, our first review is I didn't know about prompt engineering, but now I have a great knowledge about it. Thank you. It's my pleasure, dear. Ma'am Eman, credit goes to you. No, dear, it's all about your effort. I'm a housewife. I didn't in any freelancing first, but after learning from you, I'm working with many clients. That's great, and they like my work also. Keep it up, dear. Learned much from you, especially your guidance and support is incredible. Thank you. Amazing series. I learned a lot from you. I was confused about what AI is, what ChatGPT is, but your videos gave me a clear understanding of those concepts. Highly recommend Eman Zahid. Thank you so much, and I'm glad you learned it a lot. Really impressive series. Thank you so much. Amazing course about prompt engineering. Thank you so much. I love this prompt engineering series. Waiting for your ebook. Yeah, I'll launch my ebook soon, so stay tuned, guys. It's valuable course I have ever seen. Please make it advanced series using programming to maximize the potential of prompt engineering. I'll make these advanced series, but for non-technical people who are not familiar with programming, it's an amazing course. I couldn't be more proud of what my students have achieved, and I want you to experience the same success. If these stories inspired you, now's the time to take that leap. Imagine what you could accomplish by learning how to command AI and use prompt engineering to your advantage. Join my prompt engineering short course today and let's start building your success story. Don't wait. These skills are the future, and your opportunity to master them is just a click away. I can't wait to read your success story next. See you inside the course.